my Bean Boozled jelly beans. So they got thrown away while I was at my dad's. So I'm going to be doing this ice bath challenge. There was ice in there. It might have melted by now. But anyway, I know I'm wearing normal clothes for this. So I use yep. Okay, so and I pushed my feet around in here just to make sure it's very cold.
Oh, that is cold.
Oh,
By the way, this is me, Joey, filming.
What is this happening to me? Oh, oh, oh. I bet you think this is fake. This is real. It hurts. Do you dare me to put my head under it?
Yeah, do it. Do it. Go.
Don't push me on
Come on, dude. Just...
Oh, now all my red hair is gonna come out. Oh. Gotta sit in here for a little bit more. Oh, I love you guys.
You've been
And
there?
I never make it. Never. Oh,
This is so awesome. Dude, do you think you should get out now? We've only been doing it for 1 minute and you're already...
Are you serious?
Yeah, 1 minute. Almost 2.
Is it 2 now?
Almost. It's wait.
What is that?
It's at 1 minute and 55 seconds. Oh, it just changed. 2 minutes and 1 second.
Oh, so cold. Jeez. Oh. So, I guess I'm going to be doing something else for my 50 subscribers milestone, so it might be ghost peppers. Probably will.
Don't do Carrie Weeples.
I probably.
Those can make you cry.
Oh, they can.
Yes.
Oh,
I think Carrie Weeples can make you vomit.
that was cold. I hope you enjoyed that. Because, dude. So, well, I guess I did that. For fun. It wasn't really fun anyway. But bye guys, as always, thumbs up, subscribe.